Hi again guys, in this video I'm going to show you the B section for Für Elise. Okay, so if you haven't watched the video on the A section, please make sure that you watch that video, practice it thoroughly before moving on to this one. So the B section is quite different from the A section. We're going to start with the right hand. We're going to start with finger 2 and we'll put finger 2 on B. The nice thing about this is we're simply going to be moving up step by step. So we're going to go. Okay, once you've done that, we are going to play a pattern which involves now lots of moving in the opposite direction. Okay, so you're going to find something that looks like this. So starting on F, and then starting on E, and then starting on D. So you probably want to practice that starting on the pinky. So you'll go F, and then E, and then D. Okay, so I'm going to put that together. So remember, you start on B, you go this way, and then you now start on your pinky and you're going this way. So watch. Okay, so Beethoven doesn't play it exactly like that. Now I'm going to show you what he adds to this. So after he's played the first phrase, he is going to just play a G. And now for the next phrase, we'll start on F. And for the next one, he will start on E. So just to recap that, he started on G, then F, and then E. So, but he plays all that in the right hand. Okay, so let's put that together. That's actually most of the B section right there. So we're going to go. Okay, let's go straight to the left hand. So left hand, we are going to start with C. So remember the pattern that we played in the A section, on the A minor, it went like this. We're going to play exactly that same shape, but starting on C. Okay, so when we play that first phrase, we play this. So it's going to be C first. When you play the second phrase, you're going to go to G. And for this, you'll play G with your pinky, jump to the next G with your thumb, and then finger 2 crosses over to play B. Okay, so I'll show you again. G, G, B. So now I'm going to play the first phrase followed by the second. So C, G. And now we go to the third phrase. It's A minor, just the same A minor we played in the A section. Okay, let's play that again. So starting from the first phrase. Okay, and finally, here we're going to play E. So your pinky is going to play E. I like to call this the easy section because there's lots of E's. Okay, that's a dry joke, but it helps me remember what I'm supposed to do. So it's E's. Right, so E with your pinky. Your pinky is going to jump to the next E. Okay, so this is all in the left hand. So E, E, same finger. Once you've done that, you're going to play the next E, this time with your thumb. Okay, so when I put that together, I've got E, E, sorry, E, E, E. Right. Try and avoid stretching as much as possible. So you can actually just move your arm from E, jump to E. You can see my hand is still the same, and then the next E. Now, once you've played this E, your right hand now gets involved and it takes over from that same note. It's going to play that note and the next E, an octave higher. So when you put that together, it looks like this. Left hand, right hand. Once you've done that, the left hand takes over from this E just above middle C, and it's going to play an octave as well. So let's put those E's together. Right, you can try and play along with me. So ready, go. Now once you've played this E, you do what you did before. You take over that same E this with your right hand, and you're going to play E to that high E. Okay, and that is the easy section right there. Let's put it all together. So left hand, right, left, right. I'm going to do that without talking. Okay, so let's go from the beginning of this whole section actually up to the easy part. Right, so here we go. Nice and easy. Okay, so once you've played the easy part, you're now going to alternate between the two notes, the E flat and the E. You're going to start with the left hand. So you're going to play, I like to use finger 2 and 1. E flat, E. Okay, so once I've played the E flat and the E with finger 2 and 1, I play those same two notes, but this time in my right hand with finger 4 and 5. So I'm going to go left hand, now right hand, and then left hand again. Okay, so it's going to be left, right, left. Okay, so after your E's, left, right, left. Okay, so we went left, right, left. Now we're going to stay on the right, and we're going to play those same two notes 3 times actually. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when I put all that together, it's going to look like this. One, 2, 3. Okay, once you've done that, you go to the melody, to the A section pretty much. So you're going to get the beat, D, C, A. You already know this part. Now, when you play all of that, that is the entire B section. So what I'm going to do now is to play the entire B section and try and play along with me. Okay, so 1, 2. So again, like in the A section, we're going to start on beat 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, da, 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 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so here we go. That was terrible singing, but anyway, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Repeat. And that's basically the B section. So when you play the song, make sure that you play your A section, repeat it, B section, repeat it. Now what's interesting is most students normally stop here. They only ever learn the A section and the B section, but in another video I am going to show you the C section, which is the dreaded part. But you and I can do this together. Right, if you enjoyed this lesson, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with others, and we can all learn and grow together. Right, please like, please comment, please ask questions, and please also let me know what other songs you'd like me to share with you on this channel. Right, so remember, the way to get better is practice, 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 and it all gets easier the more you do it. So enjoy, and I will see you guys next time.